All right, sales tax. We're going in with sales tax. Okay, pause, Marche. This is Marche Mayfield, guys. Your tax and business strategist. I work with beauty professionals just like yourself to help you make and maintain multiple six figures, multiple six and seven figures in your business. I want your bank account to look like the effort and the work that you put in on a day-to-day basis. All right. All right. So sales tax, guys. This is, oh my God, this is a great topic. Um, if you sell any tangible product, excuse me, from your salon, it is a taxable. It is taxable. You should be collecting and paying sales tax. Every state, make sure you note this now, every state is completely different. The tax rate is different in each and every state. So the first thing I'm gonna suggest and recommend is, number one, identify what items you have are taxable. And what I mean by that is that some of you guys like paparazzi jewelry, of course, they pay the taxes on that from what I'm understanding. I don't know if you purchasing products from other, retailers or wholesalers. I'm not sure. Different companies are different. So just make sure you do the research on that. But if, like, for example, you have your own product line, you're selling hot curlers, shampoos and things like that, you're retailing products and shit like that. If you're retailing products, and you live in a state that collects and pays sales tax, then you need to make sure that you are properly set up in your state, that you are charging a particular rate that is due within your state. Now you can set up your sales tax in your point of sales, your POS, whether it be Vagaro, Square, etc. What I have seen lately and before, no, it's not you guys, not you one that's watching now, right? But what I have seen is people are actually collecting sales tax in their point of sales from their customers, but they're not filing it. Guys, that's considered theft, okay? You are required and mandated by law to pay sales tax to your particular state where you reside, okay? So once you set the sales tax rate in your point of sales, you collect the sales tax, and I just recommend whatever you collect for that day, just put in a different account. And so if you pay your sales tax, most sales tax be monthly, quarterly, or annually. Again, the particular industry entity where you pay your sales tax at, like I said, again, each state is so different. They would recommend, they would suggest or tell you which state, how often you pay your sales tax. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm just bumming up my words here. I apologize for that. But they'll tell you when your return is due once you set up your account. So you go to that state, you set up an account. They'll let you know when your payment is due each month. You file a state return, pay the taxes. Again, collect the money from the client, the customer. Now, when sales tax get a little tricky is when you're selling when you're selling retail items online. Now, don't get fearful, because you are required to pay in those other states only if it's over a certain amount. So if you have a big online business that you're retailing products and you sell over $100,000 in different areas in certain states, is what we call a nexus tax, NEXUS, nexus taxes. You would qualify. Now again, if you're not selling a large volume of products over the internet, over your website, then it may not apply to you. But again, if you don't really know, you got a question or concern about that, like, I'm not sure if I qualify, should I be paying taxes in all other states, the 50 states that I sell in, that I have customers in, then let's have a quick conversation, a quick chat to support you with that. But what I want you to take from this call is that to really truly understand, guys, it is illegal to collect sales tax from your customers and not pay it to the state. That is illegal. And then also to know that your sales tax are due monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on where you live, and that you can set up these sales tax. It's very simple within your point of sales to collect the sales tax in order to make it easy for you. Like, especially if you pay annually, it's out of sight, out of mind for sure. Each month, you realize I'm collected $300 in sales tax. Move that money to a sales tax account, just designated just for sales tax. And so when the end of the year comes, you report that, and you just put it from that account and pay it.